Hello guys, today's tutorial is I'm going to show you how to crochet this granny square. Okay, and I made that. Okay, so I will be doing a tutorial of this granny square. I've done a tutorial for this already, so if you haven't watched it, please look into the video, okay, and you can see the tutorial for this flower. Okay, but today I will be going to do the granny squares. Okay, so grab your yarn. Okay, so this yarn is an acrylic and 8 ply. Okay, and I will be using a 4.5 millimeter hook. Okay, to start with a slip knot. Okay, and then insert, and we are going to chain 6. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and we are going to slip stitch. Okay, in the first chain, sorry about that. And then after that we are going to work in the middle. Okay, you can do a magic ring, or with mine is I use this way. Okay, so from here chain 3. Okay, and we are going to add 2 more double crochet. Okay, and then chain 2. Okay, in the same space. Okay, we are going to add 3 double crochet. Okay, so we have this one corner. Okay, and then chain 1 and 3 more double crochet. Okay, so this is our second corner, and we are going to chain 2 and then 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and then after that chain 1 and 3 double crochet. Okay, then we just squeeze it. Okay, so we have 2 corner there, so we are here in the 3rd corner now, so we are going to chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3, so we are going to do another one. Okay, after this chain 1 and 3 double crochet. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 and then chain 2. Oh no. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have chain 2 and we are going to add 3 more double crochet. Okay, so after that we're going to do chain 1, okay, and we are going to slip stitch into the first chain. Okay, so the third chain from the first double crochet. Okay, so we have one corner here, one corner, and one corner. Okay, so from here we are going to do a slip stitch until we get to one of the corner, slip stitch, and slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Okay, from here we're going to chain 3, okay, and then 2 more double crochet, then chain 2, and then 3 double crochet in the same space. Okay, and then after that we are going straight to the next. Okay, so the chain 1 that we made, so we have three double crochet in there, and then the chain 1 that we made, we're going to make a 3 double crochet in there in the same stitch. Okay, and then we're going straight to this corner. Okay, and we're going to make 3 double crochet, and then chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. Okay, so after that we're going straight to the chain 1 space and 3 double crochet. And then after that to the corner, okay, the chain 2 space, and we're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. And then after that, okay, we're going straight to the chain 1, okay, and we're going to put 3 double crochet, and then after that jump into the corner, okay, with 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, and then jump into the chain 1 space, 3 double crochet. Okay, and after that we are going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Okay, so 1, 2, 3rd chain here, slip stitch there. Okay, so we are just going to do the same, slip stitch into the next chain, okay, slip stitch and slip stitch into the corner. Okay, so we are going to start, okay, every time in our corner. Okay, so chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, so then jump into the space, okay, and 3 double crochet, and then jump into the next space and 3 double crochet. Okay, and to jump into the corner, okay, and 3 double crochet, chain 2. So every corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then after that we're going to jump into this one and that one with 3 double crochet in the same space. Okay, so you are just going to repeat this as long as you need it. Okay, if you need just 3 rows or 4 rows, and then you can end it. If you want a bigger one, and then you have to continue, okay, until you reach chain 2, okay, your desired size. Okay, and you just have to continue that, and then jump here, 3 double crochet, and jump, 3 double crochet, and jump, 3 double crochet, okay, and then chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, so one more, and then straight jump into the next space with 3 double crochet. Okay, so basically it's just a repetition, okay, until you get your desired size. Okay, and after that 1 2 3, just slip stitch. Okay, so after that slip stitch into the next, okay, slip stitch into the next, and slip stitch into the corner. Okay, and you have to continue that, chain 3, and then add 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Okay, so that is how I made it, and I will show you, okay, with mine. So this is our first, okay, and then our second row, okay, that is like round and then with 4 corners. Okay, so I did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. Okay, so 8 rows. So if you want just like how many rows, you can stop it. Okay, if you want bigger, and then you can. With mine, okay, I did 4 rows, okay, without increase. Okay, on my 5th row, okay, on my 5th row I did, so what is this, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so with my 5th row, okay, what I did, no, one, that's 1 2 3rd row. Okay, so with my 5th row, what I did is I increase it. Okay, so when you increase 2 3 1 2 and then 3 more. Okay, and then I will show you how to increase. Okay, from the 5th row, okay, I did increase, so chain 1 here, chain 1, and then you jump into the next. Okay, so you're just going to put chain 1 in every three double crochet. After 3 double crochet, you chain 1 and then you jump into the other one. Okay, so you just have to do that until you can continue as well without increasing, but with mine, because it's getting bigger, so I did increase. Okay, so from 5th row, okay, I increase. Okay, so I put chain 1. Okay, so chain 1 there, and then continue, and then doing the same thing. Okay, the corner will be the same as chain 2. Okay, and then 3 more double crochet. Okay guys, well, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share the video with your friend, and if you're new, please subscribe. And as I said, you just have to go around and around, just maintain, okay, your corner, okay, or else you're going round. Okay, so this is you're making square. Okay, so by doing square is you have to continue your corner. Okay, every corner chain 2. Okay, so every corner chain 2. Okay, thank you very much guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video, and if you have any questions or comment or anything, please leave on the comment below, and I will be very happy to read all of those and answer if you do have some questions or anything. I would love to hear how I do my tutorial, and if you have any request, please let me know, and I will do my best to make a tutorial. Okay, thank you very much guys, and until next video, have a great day. Bye.